I'll say I have reduced my BP numbers.
Wow.
Now it used to be above 135, 95.
Mm-hmm.
Since last almost, you can say 20 days, I'm at around 117
Wow.
by 77, 78.
Kya baat
So
hai.
it's
Very good.
below 120, 80. So that's
Wow,
the reason.
congratulations, Vikash. Everyone, I want you to type congratulations to Vikash. More power to you, Vikash. I'm so happy to hear that
Thank
from
you.
you.
I have my evening medicines have stopped. Doctor has advised me to stop the BP medicine
Kya baat
altogether.
hai. Very good. Tell me about your emotional health and what else you have experienced.
I've become more calm, not
Mhm.
in a hurry. I'm trying to think things as it comes. So relaxed.
Great,
No
great.
stress till now. A close relative passed away, so I have
Mm.
multiple rituals. So I missed in between and was not so regular, but I tried to attend all your meditations. The evening sessions were being missed,
Okay.
but yesterday or day before yesterday, I'm trying to be regular once again.
Wow.
That's it.
Vikash, congratulations again. And,
Thank you.
enjoy, have fun, and slow down, as you said, right? And keep smiling. Your smile
Trying to.
says it all. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for sharing that.